Hi, today I'm part of NOKIA 220 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So open first the menu application, scroll down and go to the settings. Here click to the personalization selected, tap to the lock screen background, select wallpapers and just now select one from this available wallpapers. Click on the left upper corner button to OK, and now let's just lock the device and we could see that this option successfully changed. We just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.